So hey guys, this is Sia. Welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are good and having good time. So first things first, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon for the quick updates. Also, thank you so much for the amazing response I got from you guys on my face grooming video and I am so happy. Thank you so much guys. You can literally see happiness on my face for that video. I just never thought that I will have such an amazing support of you guys, and please guys keep supporting, please. Your support gives me really good motivation for my good content and creating good content for you all. And yes, thank you so much once again. I really worked hard on that and thank you so much guys. Thank you so much. I can't thank enough. Thank you so much. I know it is a small amount for now as I just got 104 views till now, but the amount doesn't matter. What matters is the love you give me, the support you give me, and please guys, please supporting like this. So getting back to the video, this is my first haul video, so yes, I hope it goes well and it is useful to you guys. So yes, so let's get started. Yes guys, before moving further, I just want to tell you guys that I will mention the cart value down there in the description box below, and the discount I got on all the products and the product links, so that you can easily shop it off. And yes, second note is I just have purchased all these products for the second time because I just regularly use them, and some products are new for me and I will be trying them. And if you guys want the reviews of that, please comment down below, and yes, I will just review it for you guys. I was just afraid that the lockdown will once again say hi to us and I will not get the products, so I just ordered them as soon as the lockdown lifted somewhat, or I can say that Nykaa app just reopened their online courier services, and yes, the shipping was really very great and they just delivered it on time. Don't worry guys, all the precautions were taken during the delivery of the parcel and I sanitized it well. So yes, it was really, you know, safe to touch the parcel. Also, I will keep the poll on my IG if you guys want the reviews of all products or you guys want review of some products. So yes, now let's get into the video. So the first product is MAC Prime Plus Fix. This one is pink light. Before I ordered gold light, and this product is just amazing. It has just pink glittery thing, you guys can see, and this one is my second one. It is just amazing. You guys can use it as highlighter or as a primer. Yes, the second one is Khade Natural Ayurvedic Face Scrub in Rose and Papaya. I just have ordered this for the first time and I have used it 2 times till now, and this one is very good for facial scrub. It's very gentle and the particles are very good. They are not much rough, and the smell, oh my god, I just love it, and I just love the packaging. They are very good packaging. So yes, the third one is Cetaphil Oily Skin Cleanser. I'm trying this for the first time, so let's see how it goes. I have heard much about this product, that this product is very good. So yes, let's see, let's try them. So yeah. The fourth one is Nykaa 100% Pure Olive Cold Pressed Oil. Frankly speaking, I am going to experiment some things using this oil, and it will be up soon once I start the experiments. So yes, as I have oily skin and oily scalp, I just don't oil my hair, but after like about 10 to 12 years, after 10 to 12 years, I will just oil my hair with this one. So yes, let's see the results, and I will just tell you once I start using it. I will try to share the results, that how it goes with me. The next one is Nykaa Prep Up Face Primer. This is also the product I'm using for the first time. I haven't used it yet, so yes, let's see how it goes. The next one is eyelashes. I am really fond of eyelashes, so I just really wanted to try this one, and these are really very cheap, so everyone can afford it. So yes, I will give the reviews on this too. The next one is Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. This I ordered before lockdown started, and this color really turned out to be very good. As you must have watched in my the look I created on Instagram, IGTV. So yes. The next one is Nykaa Strobe and Glow Liquid Highlighter. I am just fond of highlighters, and I'm trying my hands on this one as well. So yes, let's see. Before this, I was not a big fan of glowy skin, glowy, or you can say dewy skin, but I don't know why आजकल मुझे लगता है कि I should try this, and enough of matte skin. So yes, I will just try it and give reviews. The next one is Nykaa Made to Last Liquid Lipstick in Boho. As you all know, I am a big fan of that Boho girl Kritika Khurana. So as soon as I read the name Boho, it just reminded me of her, and I didn't see the shade, what it is, and I didn't see anything, and I just purchased it. So I just love the packaging. I'm very fond of packaging, by the way. So yes, this lipstick is dope. I just tried it. Let me show you the color. Isn't it cool and a good pinkish tone lipstick? I just love it. I just really loved it. If you guys want the reviews on this, please comment down below. So this one, I just got it for free from Nykaa. Thank you, Nykaa. And the color is really very good. Let me just show you. It is Nykaa Paint Sticks in the shade Bombshell Berry. It is again a brownish shade. This one. It's really very good color. So I will just try it afterwards. I haven't tried it yet. The next one is Nykaa Molten Matte, and this is in the shade Rachel 01. The one I have applied, this is the very nude shade, and this is really good shade, and the formula is very good. It is lightweight. Nothing else to say. So the next one is Drawing Eyebrows from Etude House. This one is also the second time. Now this one is the third or fourth time I am buying this product. This is really great. You can see my eyebrows, and if you have watched my previous videos, I use this regularly. So 5 out of 5. and the next one is Nykaa Serial Kisser Lip Balm. I'm trying it for the first time. Let's see. I am also a very big fan of lip balms, so yes, that's it guys. This was the products I purchased this time, so yes, that's it for this time. So yes guys, as I previously mentioned, I will just keep the links of all the products I purchased in the description box below, as it is useful to you guys. I hope you guys liked it, and for your concern or for your information, these products are really very cheap according to the quality and quantity they provide. So yes, everyone can afford it. So yes guys, keep smiling and keep supporting. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Bye guys. Hair my oil my hair. Wow, yeah.